Have you considered your business growth plans for the coming year, 2024? As we stand on the brink of a new year, it's time to reflect and plan. Developing a growth strategy isn't just about setting targets. It's about creating a comprehensive roadmap that guides your business towards sustainable success. A well-thought-out plan is essential. It can be the difference between thriving or just surviving. So, buckle up. In the next few minutes, discover how to write out and implement a growth strategy for your business. A growth strategy isn't a wild guess, it's a meticulous plan. A growth strategy, in essence, is a roadmap that guides businesses from their current position to a desired future state. It's like a compass, pointing the way to a profitable destination. So what are the key components of this strategy? First, it's identifying your target markets. Who are your customers? What are their needs? Understanding your audience is the cornerstone of any successful strategy. Next, setting growth goals. Are you aiming for a 10% increase in sales? Or perhaps doubling your customer base? Be specific, be bold, but also be realistic. Then, it's all about determining actions to achieve growth. This is the how part. How will you reach your target market? How will you achieve your growth goals? A well-thought-out action plan can be the difference between a strategy that soars and one that stumbles. A growth strategy gives your business a clear direction and measurable goals for 2024. Writing a growth strategy starts with understanding your current position. It's like setting out on a journey. You need to know where you're starting from before you can plan your route. Let's dive into this voyage, shall we? The first step is conducting a SWOT analysis. That's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Put on your detective hat and gather as much information as you can about your business and its environment. This will give you a comprehensive overview of where you stand. Next, identify growth opportunities. Look for areas in your market where your business can expand. This could be new customer segments, geographical areas, or even product lines. The key here is to think big, but also realistically. Now, with a clear understanding of your current position and potential opportunities, it's time to set smart growth goals. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Remember, your goals should stretch you, but also be within reach. Finally, create a plan to achieve these goals. This involves deciding on the actions you'll take, resources you'll need, and how you'll monitor progress. It's like your personal roadmap to success. In this process, don't forget to involve your team. Their input and buy-in are crucial for successful implementation. After all, many hands make light work. Remember, a well-written growth strategy is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So put pen to paper and start crafting your strategic plan for growth. A growth strategy isn't just about writing, it's about action. As we step into the arena of implementation, it's crucial to remember that the finest strategies can gather dust if they are not actively pursued. So how do we bring our growth strategy to life? First, let's talk about communication. This is the lifeblood of any strategy. It is the art of making your team understand the why, what, and how of your growth strategy. It's about painting a vivid picture of the future and how each team member contributes to that vision. Next, we have leadership. Implementing a growth strategy isn't a passive process. It requires strong leaders who can inspire, guide, and even challenge their team. Leaders are the driving force, the ones who keep the momentum going, even when the road gets bumpy. Let's not forget tracking progress. A growth strategy is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. You need to monitor your progress, measure your successes, and learn from your failures. Regular reviews will keep your strategy aligned with your goals and allow for timely adjustments. Speaking of adjustments, they are inevitable. No strategy is set in stone. The business world is dynamic, and your growth strategy should be too. It's about being resilient and flexible, ready to pivot when necessary, and seizing opportunities as they arise. Implementing a growth strategy requires commitment, resilience, and flexibility. Remember, a growth strategy is a journey, not a destination. So, buckle up and enjoy the ride. So, are you ready to grow your business in 2024? In essence, understanding growth strategy is about identifying your goals. Writing it is about outlining steps to reach those goals, considering all aspects of your business. And implementing it is where the rubber meets the road. Remember, a well-defined growth strategy is the backbone of business success. Start writing and implementing your growth strategy today. Here's to your business growth in 2024.